Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find PC password in Windows. So for this, first of all, just open up your start menu and type in credential manager. As you can see, it's here. Open it up. Now you can see on my Windows system, I currently don't have any web credential saved. As you can see in here, you will basically have your web credentials, which is your internet passwords. Whichever passwords you may have, they will be in this web credential tab. So everything regarding to the internet, websites, etc. will be saved in here. And in Windows credentials, you can see I don't have anything because it's a test system. You will probably have something saved in here. Here you will also have the web passwords, but also your local passwords in your local machine, so your PC, even the offline passwords. All of this stuff will be stored in this section. You can also add your credentials, certificates, generics, and stuff like that. In this section, you can also backup and restore credentials if you want. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to find PC passwords in Windows. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.